Welcome back, my dear students. So today we will be discussing about general characteristics and outline classifications of chordate. So let us start. So we all know that animal kingdom is basically divided into two sub-kingdoms, that is non-chordate and chordate. So non-chordate includes all animals which are without notochord, and the chordate animals are those which are having notochord. So here very important thing we should know about chordate is that all chordates have the following features at some stage in their life. That is, they should have pharyngeal slit, dorsal tubular nerve cord, notochord and post-anal. So all these four features will be seen in any stage of their life of chordates, whether it is in larval stage, embryonic stage or in the adult stage. So now let us see what is pharyngeal slit. So these are a series of openings that connect the inside of the throat to the outside of the neck. These are often but not always used as gills. So pharyngeal slits are a series of openings which you will find near the throat region. Dorsal tubular nerve cord. These are bundle of nerve fibers which runs down the back. It connects the brain with the lateral muscles and other organs. Here the important thing is that the nerve cord are found in dorsal side and it is of tubular nature compared to non-chordates. The nerve cords you will find on ventral side, and that sometimes it is in solid. The next is notochord. It is a cartilaginous rod running underneath and supporting the nerve cord. So notochord is a rod-like structure which you will find in higher chordates like in vertebrates. It is being replaced by another structure which we call vertebral column or backbone. Post-anal tail. This is the extensions of body post the anal opening. So at the posterior side, the tail will be found in chordate. Now let us see the general characteristics of chordate. So they are aquatic, aerial or terrestrial, all free living with no fully parasite. Their body is bilaterally symmetrical and metamerically segmented. Bilaterally symmetrical means if you cut their body from one plane, then you will find two equal halves which will be having mirror image. Exoskeleton often present, well developed in most vertebrates. Body wall triploblastic, it means their body has been developed from three germinal layers, that is ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. They are coelomate animals with which have true body cavity, that is true coelom. A skeletal rod, the notochord, will be present at any stage in their life. Already we have seen. Digestive system is complete with digestive glands. Blood vascular system closed. Heart ventral with dorsal and ventral blood. And the another important features which we will find in chordate is hepatic portal system is well developed. And the excretory system comprises of protonephric, mesonephric and metanephric kidneys. So kidney is the main organ which will perform the functions of excretion in chordates. Again, it is of three types: protonephric, mesonephric and metanephric. Now let us see the classifications of chordate. So broadly, the phylum chordate has been classified into three subphylum, that is Urochordata, Cephalochordata and Vertebrata. Further, the subphylum Vertebrata has been divided into two divisions known as Gnatha and Gnathostomata. So Gnathas include all jawless vertebrae and the Gnathostomata include jawed vertebrae. Further, Gnatha division is divided into two classes, ostracodermy and cycloestomata. Cycloestomata includes all jawless, and the division Gnathostomata is divided into two superclass known as Pisces and Tetrapoda. So Pisces will include all the different types of fish, that is jawed fish, and the Tetrapoda includes the vertebrates which are having four limbs. Tetra means four, poda means leg. So further, this superclass Pisces has been divided into three classes: Plecodermy, Chondrichthyes and so the Plecodermy class will include all the extinct Chondrichthyes. This includes the cartilaginous fishes, and Ostichthyes will include the all bony. Further, the superclass Tetrapoda has been divided into four classes, that is Amphibia, Reptilia, Apes and Mammalia. So all total up to classes, the classification will be discussed in our latest video. So we will discuss one by one. So now let us some brief informations regarding the subphylums of phylum Chordata, that is subphylum Urochordata. They are marine, mostly sessile, filter feeders. Notochords occurs only in the tail of the larva and disappears in the adult. the tail does not persist throughout life. So the example of Urochordata are Hardmania, Doliolum, and Siona. Subphylum Cephalochordate. These will have notochords extend to the tip of the snout and persist throughout life. Tail persist throughout life. Compared to Urochordata, here throughout the life the tail will be present, but in Urochordata the notochord or the tail will be prominent or seen in larval stage only. When the compared to adult, it disappears there. So the example of Cephalochordata is Amphiox. Subphylum Vertebrata. So it will have notochord replaced by vertebral column that we call commonly backbone, and the dorsal tubular nerve cord present, which is divided into brain and spinal cord. So we will discuss about vertebrata, cephalochordata, urochordata in our next video. So with this, now I want to conclude that animals with backbones or vertebral columns will include fishes, birds, reptiles, amphibians, and mammals. So the chordates are of various body forms, but they are all have notochord, dorsal tubular nerve cord, pharyngeal slits, and a post-anal tail at some stage of life. This is very important to know. Various theories have been proposed to explain the origin and evolutions of chordate, but none of them is completely satisfactory. However, it is believed that they evolved sometime before Cambrian period, and the most advanced forms of chordates are mammals. So with this, I would like to conclude here. Thank you very much for joining